If you want to send live stickers in your iMessage on your iPhone, you're in for a fun way to enhance your messages. Live stickers are dynamic, animated stickers that add a bit of personality to your conversations. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Create a live sticker with your own or liked picture. Open your Photos app. Find out and tap the live or normal picture that you want to use a live sticker. Tap and hold the subject unless the outline comes. Here, tap Add Sticker. Here, if tap Sticker, here you can see Add Effect option. Tap on it. This gives you more option to choose with effect. Select the one you like and then tap Done. Then the sticker will be added automatically. Send live stickers in iMessage. Open the Messages app. Tap on the conversation where you want to send a live sticker. Tap the plus icon next to the text field. First, choose a recently added sticker. Tap on the live sticker you want to send. It will animate as it's sent. And that's it. You've successfully added a bit of fun to your messages with live stickers. If you have any more questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.